the Cartesian product. The Cartesian product, the name comes from René Descartes, philosopher and mathematician. He came up with this. And when we have a Cartesian product, notice the word product, that's why it looks like a times. But you don't say A times B. These are sets, they're not numbers. So what you say is A cross B. Or you could say the Cartesian product of set A with B. So let's find the Cartesian product between these two sets. These are the members of the set. So we're going to find A cross B. All it means is that you're going to pair every member of A with every member of B. So it's A with all these three, B with these three numbers, and C with these three numbers. And notice the pairs that you form. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that's where we get the product part, because you could know ahead of time how many pairs you should have. There's 3 members in this set, 3 members in this set, so I should have 3 times 3, 9 pairs. After I'm done pairing, I should expect 9 pairs. Now we're going to go into number systems. A number system is additive if its numeral value is not affected by its position. That means you could put it in any order and its value does not change. If it is affected by its position, the system is a place value system. Now, when we say numeral, what we mean is the symbol for the number. It's like the hieroglyphic of the number. So the Egyptian number system was additive. The Babylonian system was place value. And here's the Babylonian system. This symbol that you see here, these 2 little triangle looking things, that was a placeholder. It acted like a 0. So suppose we had these symbols, and each symbol in this particular problem, this one, is placed on top of this 60 to the 0. Anything to the 0 is 1. So these are the units. So whatever that symbol's worth, you multiply it times 1. And suppose they gave us this symbol. If whatever this symbol's worth, you multiply it times 60. Whatever this combination of symbols is worth, you multiply it times 60 to the second. So it's the value of these symbols times 60 to the second plus the value of these symbols times 60 to the first plus the value of this symbol times 60 to the 0. Their system, place value was base 60. Our system is base 10. Theirs was base 60. The Mayans also had a place value system, but they stacked up their numbers vertically. Instead of going sideways, they stacked them up. Level 1, level 2, level 3. So since it's a place value, you first find what this number means, what these symbols mean together, what number you get, and then you get a place value. Each of these has a place value. Find what these symbols, what number they represent, and then multiply times this, whatever place value is this level, and so forth. The Mayans discovered, they invented the 0. It's a clam. It represents a 0, and it serves as a placeholder for a place value that's not being included, or for a place value that has just has a 0. The Roman had an additive system with some rules. So here are some of the Roman numerals. So, for example, this is 1, 2, 3, and we call this 4. And notice that within the 4, there's like a 5 inside. So the way they had the rule was that if a lower value symbol came before a higher value symbol, then you subtract the smaller from the bigger. If the smaller value is before the larger value numeral, then subtract. So that's why we say 5 minus 1 is 4. So that's why this is a symbol for 4.